Being a pasta lover, it could be more adventurous to make your own homemade pasta, which can be tastier and hygienic than the dried one you buy from stores. The task might seem difficult, but can be done easily with the right tools. The most important tool that's required is the best pasta maker machine. In this video I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best pasta makers in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular user use, if you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Marcato Atlas 150 Pasta Machine. Marcato Atlas 150 is known to be one of the world-famous pasta machines so far. It's made by an Italian company which has been designing these for years. The machine is made from chrome-plated steel. The premium quality material has been used to make all its parts including chromes and scrapers in acetyl resin and anodized aluminum alloy rollers. It rolls and cuts pasta dough for making traditional Italian pasta at home. 3 types of pasta shapes can be made from this including lasagna, fettuccine, and tagliolini. Dough thickness can be easily controlled by an adjustment dial. Nothing can beat the taste of fresh pasta, and Atlas 150 ensures perfect cutting and consistent pasta that can be enjoyed with any type of sauce. Moreover, having 12 interchangeable Atlas accessories allows different pasta shapes, cut, and thicknesses. You just need to select the right shape for your favorite sauce. Number 2. Shule Stainless Steel Pasta Machine. If you are looking for a pasta maker at a reasonable price, then this product is best for you as it's budget-friendly, costs less than the other machines of the same criteria. Relying on packed dry pasta is no longer going to be a reason to destroy the taste of your pasta dishes, as you can easily make your own pasta at your home. The Shule Stainless Steel Pasta Machine is powered by KitchenAid Stand Mixer, which is an Italian company. The 3-piece roller set helps make perfect fresh pasta from scratch. This 3-piece pasta cutter and roller fit all household KitchenAid stand mixers, including commercial style. KitchenAid rollers and cutters are designed for smooth cutting and rolling of pasta dough. It helps roll dough to your desired shape KKK thickness. Spaghetti and fettuccine cutters allow you to cut dough into classic spaghetti noodles and hearty fettuccine noodles respectively. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Electric Pasta Maker. Hamilton Beach Electric Pasta and Noodle Maker is designed with resin plastic material to make it long-lasting. It's the automatic machine. You just need to add the right quantities of ingredients and push the button. 2 to 3 servings can be easily prepared in less than 15 minutes. It is quick enough to save your time. This pasta maker mixes, kneads and extrudes pasta in 4 steps. You just need to add flour, select standard or quick pasta, then pour the liquid and watch the display. There is an internal scale that tells you the measurement for ingredients, which is a special feature of this machine. A dough guide is also included with it. 7 different pasta shapes can be made with 7 different discs. A storage drawer is also provided to keep your disc safe. Making custom pasta is great fun with Hamilton Beach Electric Pasta Maker. Different flours and vegetable juices with spices can be used for this purpose. Number 4. Philips Pasta and Noodle Maker Plus. Philips Pasta and Noodle Maker Plus is the best automatic machine for making pasta of different styles, making your food more presentable. It's made of alloy steel and plastic material. It needs very little effort. You just need to add ingredients for 1 or 2 batches, and further it works on its own. The fast-working machine can make about ½ pounds of pasta in just 10 minutes. A total of 4 dies extruded pasta dough in 4 different shapes including spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna, or tube-shaped pen. You can make healthier and more hygienic pasta at home with Philips Pasta and Noodle Maker at home. All home ingredients ensure no fear of any unknown ingredient. All the parts of this pasta maker are dishwasher safe, which allows it to easily set, dismantle, and clean. Moreover, the storage drawer holds all the shaping discs and cleaning tools, keeping them safe. A recipe book that is created by culinary experts is also included in the pack. Number 5. Oxo Good Grips 3-Blade Pasta Maker. Oxo Good Grip 3 Blades Pasta Maker is a plastic-bodied machine specially designed to churn vegetables and fruits into 3 different sized kinds of pasta. All 3 blades are made of stainless steel, and they make ribbon-cut noodles, thin spaghetti, and thick fettuccine with respective color codes. So there is no confusion in the selection of pasta shape. The removable blade box keeps all blades clean and safe on board in an organized manner when not in use. The machine can be easily placed on the table. Having a strong hold suction pump lets it stay stable on the countertop. Being dishwasher safe, it is easy to wash and clean. Oxo Good Grip 3-blade pasta maker lets you make zoodles out of vegetables quickly and it saves your time. The rotating handle turns vegetables and fruits, while side handles move forward the spiralize pasta to the compact storage. It's all fun and easy to make in a unique way. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier.